All right, now this section, let's take a look if you want. You don't have to do this, but you will have the ability to use other apps and devices such as Fitbit, MyZone, Polar, Garmin, and so forth to be able to connect with your program. So again though, the dotFIT program was built to operate on its own if you want, but if you do happen to also desire using other types of apparatuses and apps, you'll have this ability. So what we're going to do from our summary overview is we're going to go to the top under Program, and our last option, Apps and Devices. When we click on that, you're going to see our different menu of tiles of different products that we can go ahead and connect to. And it's as simple as, for me with my Fitbit, we would click on, for instance, not linked as an example. And then what we would do is the program itself will open up a splash page to that app, Fitbit as this example. You would then be able to enter in your information to just give permission, and then you're connected. So Frankie, if we could just go back one, after we go ahead and we would link and we would have gone through and done the process, if you go back to summary overview for us, we will then have all that information relayed over here on the sides. And time out for 1 second. I'll even show you what that looks like once we come right back. Okay, we're back. We just wanted to take a second off camera to log into my real personal account where I do log all my activity and just show you with Fitbit as an example, because I'm synced up with my Fitbit. It is saying right now, as of 10 o'clock Pacific time on this particular day, I have actually burned 74% of the calories I need to today, burning 2,076. Then if you look down here, almost at 8,000 steps. And Frankie, if you don't mind to scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that, believe it or not, I got my cardio in this morning, my 20 minutes on the elliptical, and my weight training as well, but all of that is recorded, okay? But once again, to finish, you can do this, or you can also do the dotFIT program without any wearables, and it will still track everything.